Regular maintenance as well as timely and properly performed service are the basis for trouble-free crane operation. The operating hours counter provides information about the service intervals of the crane. Depending on the equipment, it is integrated in the display or in the status display of the PALFINGER. With the standard device, you can choose between total operating time and hours of work until the next service. The same switchover is possible on the display of the PALFINGER 150 system. In a PALFINGER 40 system, the status display on the terminal provides information as soon as the service has to be carried out within the next 100 working hours. The crane operator is responsible for regular maintenance. It must be carried out according to the operating manual. The first step is to clean the device, to which PALFINGER recommends pH-neutral, mild, biodegradable cleaning products. When using high-pressure cleaning, do not wash at temperatures higher than 60 degrees Celsius. Electronic components must not be sprayed directly. This is followed by a visual inspection, during which obvious irregularities or defects can be detected. The next step is to lubricate the crane. Adequate lubrication of the bearing points minimizes wear and increases the lifetime of the crane. Lubrication of the slewing gear is necessary during slewing and in several slewing positions. The extension system is lubricated with PALFINGER grease or Teflon spray in the area of the glide pads. Some cranes have low-maintenance extension systems. These are marked with a sticker and are not treated. When checking the hydraulic oil level, the crane must not be supported or extended. Finally, it is necessary to have all legally required inspections carried out in time and at the customer's request. The online portal PALFINGER Fleet Monitor offers a good help for this. This web tool, programmed for end customers, provides an overview of the entire fleet and displays upcoming service and maintenance intervals online. All PALFINGER service and contact partners worldwide will be pleased to provide information and assistance with all other questions and problems. These partners are regularly trained and therefore guarantee a problem-free and safe use of PALFINGER products.